I will be teaching you today Runway AI Gen 4 tutorial. So how you can basically use it. So if you want to use Gen 4, you can see on the left side we have text to video, image to video, and various other. We have movie gen as well. Now if you want to use Gen 4, make sure that you're on a proper plan, and the model does come limited on a free plan, so make sure that you upgrade for the best results. Now if I head over to homes page, you can see we have different kind of tools available here, image to video and so on and so forth. So you can upload your image as a reference, and to select your model, you can see what we need to do is we need to head over to this section. So let me click on generate. Now you can see we have this V2 and V3 models available. So currently Gen 4 is not available, but we do have various other that you can use for the best results. The V3 works perfectly fine, so make sure to give a try to that, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.